Well? Oh! Well? Surprise eggs! Oh! Yellow! Open. 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 Yellow elephant. Yellow elephant. Well?
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another little elephant.
I want more. Blue. Open. 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 Surprise! A blue elephant. Blue elephant. Well?
Two little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
More elephants. Green. Open. 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 Surprise! Green elephant. Green elephant. Well?
Three little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
More. Pink. Open. 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 Surprise! Big elephant. Well? Big elephant.
Four little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, they went and called another little elephant.
Another elephant. Red. Open. 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 Wow! Red elephant. elephant. Ooh! Well?
1, 2, 3, 4. 5 little elephants were happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when they found that it still resisted, soon they all began happy to dance.
Oh!
Hello, Cuquin. Come and play with us.
Huh? 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 Balloons? There, Cuquin. Balloons! No, not purple. Blue! No, not yellow. Blue! Yes, blue! Oh.
Let's all blow the balloons.
Blue balloon!
Green balloon.
Red balloon! Yeah! Oh!
Green.
Red balloon!
Green balloon.
Blue balloon!
Hey!
Huh? Red balloon! Woo! Oh? Red balloon! Ha!
Green balloon.
Blue balloon.
Don't worry, Cuquin. You don't have to blow it too much. Just blow it well.
Very good, Cuquin. Blue! Colitos. Do you want to make some cookies? Yes, cookies! But first, you have to know the numbers to calculate how many cookies you are going to bake. 1, 2, 3.
No, it's not like that. 1. Ah!
Cuquin, Ghost, do you want more cookies?
Yes, cookies!
Try again.
2. One cookie, 2 cookies.
Do you want more cookies?
Yes, cookies. 3. One cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies.
Thank you! Did you learn the numbers, Cuquin?
1, 2, 3.